Hello, I just thought I'd make a quick video about this project I've been working on. It's a rudimentary car tracker and counter I made in Python using OpenCV. I'll just give you a quick demo. Here it is. It's currently using test footage. You can see here, normally it pulls it in the video capture feed through a CCTV camera we have set up here using its RTSP stream. But as it's dark outside, it's not quite working, so just bringing it in as an MP4 instead. Works the same. I won't pretend I understand all of it. It's all fairly complicated stuff. I've just been piecing together today, but I'll give you a rough breakdown, I suppose, of how I see it. So obviously, bringing in a CV2 video capture here. Have a few counts that I'll need later. In the main loop, when most of it happens, we read the video capture. And one thing I haven't seen many people do is this bit here, because I don't know if it's exclusive to me or not. I think it's because it's an RTSP and it's kind of a live feed. It seems to occasionally drop frames, and sometimes that can cause errors when calculations. It tries to do things on frames that don't exist. So basically, it just checks, providing it pulls in a good frame. Carry on with all the processing. I start by creating a new kind of layer, the region of interest, using these coordinates to kind of get this area here, which is what I'm interested in. Create the mask, which you can see down here, using the background subtractor. It kind of picks up all the movement. Get rid of all the shadows with this threshold here, and then we find all the contours in that. And then for every contour we find, if the area is bigger than 5,000 pixels, we draw a rectangle around it, and then we append that detection to the detection array we have set up here. And then I'll just draw a line down the middle of the screen, and then we have this here, which is then the tracker, which then tracks and assigns an ID to each detection, so to speak. And for each detection we have each box ID in the boxes I split up the tuple, and then I calculate the center point of the bounding box here, get the center X and the center Y, and we draw a quick circle on that just so you can visually see the center of the detection area. And then my slightly crude manner of kind of calculating or counting the cars is this bit. I define kind of an area directly down the middle of the screen between these 2 points, and I check first if the ID, which I got up here earlier from the tracker, has not been counted yet effectively inside that area. We can +1 to account, and then put that ID in a list so we don't count it twice. And then we just draw a green line instead to kind of make it flash so you can visually see. And then we just show all the frames, layer of text to show the counted numbers. You can see it working here. It's not perfect. Sometimes it counts twice, sometimes it misses some because the tracker ID doesn't update, but that's not part of my, I'm just kind of pulling that as a library, so I don't have entire control over that. Don't quite understand it at the moment, but yeah, just a early kind of stage of this little project here.